So how has your life changed? Now you're accepting big payments, you're buying more in bulk now, you're buying a bunch of phones. What's your life like now compared to when
Yeah.
you're doing construction?
So before I was struggling to pay the rent, living in with either living with my dad, a family member, or in a bad apartment. So once I started phone flipping and I stayed consistent with it, I was able to get a new car. I was driving a Hyundai, got a Mercedes, moved downtown. Like the whole life changed. Once I started staying consistent with it.